Hi everyone, welcome to TechTide. Today we're delving into survival gadgets and gears. Explore the essential tools and innovative gear designed to keep you safe and prepared in any situation, from multi-tools and compact water filters to high-tech knife and portable shelters. These survival inventions are built to help you thrive in the wild. Get ready to discover the cutting-edge gadgets that could make all the difference in your next adventure. Subscribe now and equip yourself with the best in survival tech. Machete Knives. Have you seen the Machete movies? Well, these machetes would fit right into the main character's collection. Take the M48 Ops Combat Bowie, a 41 cm weapon with a reinforced handle that can chop, saw, and cut. Then, there's the Spettle 5, a modern version of a Soviet rescue knife with 5 working edges, including a saw and a sling cutter. It also features a recess for moving pots and a double-sided handguard, making it a favorite among Western enthusiasts. Lastly, the Tiger N machete boasts Japanese AUS-8 steel and a convex edge. The M48 Ops Combat Bowie is priced at $95, while the Spattel 5 and Tiger Machete are around $55 each. Procamptek Fire Strip Roll. For those who love the great outdoors, the Procamptek Fire Strip Roll is a must-have. This handy fire-starting tool is made of water-resistant tinder, making it reliable in any weather conditions. It comes neatly packed in a compact puck-sized box with a diameter of just 8.4 centimeters. Inside, you'll find 15 meters of waxed fiber paper, enough to keep you prepared for countless adventures. The entire box weighs only 110 grams, so it's easy to tuck a few into your pockets or backpack without adding extra bulk. And at just $17, the Fire Strip Roll is an affordable, essential addition to your outdoor gear collection, ensuring you're never without a way to start a fire when you need it. Supply Staff. Supply Staff is a versatile tool designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. It's not just a walking stick, it's a multifunctional companion for your journeys. Crafted from durable materials, the Supply Staff can be used for hiking support, as a shelter pole, or even as a tool for fishing. Its design allows for various attachments and accessories, making it adaptable to different situations. Whether you're trekking through rough terrain, setting up camp, or looking for a survival tool, the Supply Staff is a reliable and practical choice. It's lightweight and easy to carry, ensuring that it doesn't add unnecessary weight to your gear. This all-in-one tool is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys exploring the great outdoors. MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife. The MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife is a rugged and versatile tool designed for survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts. Built with durability in mind, this knife features a thick, full-tang blade made from high-quality steel, ensuring it can handle the toughest of tasks. Its robust construction allows it to be used for chopping, cutting, carving, and even betoning wood. The handle of the MSK-1 is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, with a textured surface that provides a secure hold, even in wet conditions. It also includes a striking pommel that can be used for hammering or breaking glass. The knife comes with a versatile sheath that includes additional storage for survival gear, making it an all-in-one tool for wilderness adventures. What sets the MSK-1 apart is its adaptability. It includes a fire starter and can be paired with various attachments for different survival tasks, from building shelters to preparing food. The MSK-1 Primitive Survival Knife is a reliable companion for anyone who needs a dependable tool in the wild. Hot Pocket. Meet the Hot Pocket, your versatile camping companion. This solar-powered heater doubles as a universal power bank, offering both warmth and power on your adventures. With the ability to provide up to 12 hours of heat or charge your iPhone up to 10 times, It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Weighing in at under 240 grams, the Hot Pocket is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping trips, business travel, or even festivals. It comes in various sizes to suit your needs and is available for just $99. Stay warm and connected with the Hot Pocket, your go-to gadget for comfort and convenience on the go. Paracard. The Paracard is the ultimate multi-tool that combines simplicity, functionality, reliability, and compactness. Designed to fit in the palm of your hand or easily slip into your pocket, the Paracard offers a convenient solution for everyday carry. It features 20 feet of paracord, a lighter, and a knife, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. The knife is available in two sizes, 2 inches and 3.5 inches, providing versatility for various tasks. Priced at just $35, the Paracard offers a practical and affordable way to stay prepared for whatever comes your way. Wicked Lasers FlashTorch. Introducing the Wicked Lasers FlashTorch, a revolutionary device that redefines what a handheld laser can do. This high-powered laser is engineered to deliver an intense beam of light with extraordinary precision and force. It is capable of igniting materials, cutting through plastic, and even starting fires, thanks to its cutting-edge technology. Designed with durability in mind, the FlashTorch is made from robust materials to ensure it withstands rigorous use. With its impressive range and powerful performance, it stands out as one of the most advanced lasers on the market today. Whether you're using it for professional applications or high-intensity tasks, the FlashTorch is a tool that brings the future of laser technology into your hands. Potable Aqua. Introducing Potable Aqua, a leading name in water purification technology, trusted by the US Army for its effective solutions. Among their standout products is the Aqua Pure system, which utilizes advanced electrolysis to purify water, removing over 99% of bacteria and viruses. This innovative system is capable of purifying more than 150 liters of water on a single charge. For added peace of mind, included test strips ensure the water quality meets the highest standards. The Aqua Pure system is equipped with a built-in solar panel for convenient recharging, making it a reliable choice for both everyday use and emergency situations. Priced at $100, it's a smart investment in clean, safe drinking water. Camillus High-Limb Branch Saw. Meet the Camillus High-Limb Branch Saw, a versatile tool designed to tackle a range of outdoor tasks. With its 51cm bi-directional blade, 2 6-meter sections of paracord, and weighted handles, this saw is built for efficiency and ease of use. Whether you're handling post-storm cleanup, preparing for hunting season, or managing tall trees, this saw proves to be an invaluable asset. Hikers and outdoor enthusiasts will also appreciate its practicality. Additionally, the saw comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to transport. Priced at $50, the Camillus High-Limb Branch Saw is a testament to Camillus's commitment to versatility and high performance. Steambow AR-6. Introducing the Steambow AR-6, the pinnacle of modern crossbow design. Weighing in at just 1.2 kilograms, this pistol crossbow is not only incredibly lightweight, but also claims the title of the fastest multi-shot crossbow on the market. With the ability to fire a 6-arrow magazine in a mere 20 seconds, it excels in both target shooting and hunting scenarios. Its impressive range allows for accurate shots up to 15 meters, making it perfect for recreational shooting and small game hunting. The Steambow AR-6 features Picatinny rails, providing ample space for customization with accessories like laser designators and flashlights. Elevate your shooting experience with this advanced crossbow, available for $300. MFH Buck Saw. Next, the MFH Buck Saw, a compact and versatile tool ideal for both travel and gardening needs. Weighing just around 400 grams, this lightweight saw comes equipped with two 320mm blades, making it a practical choice for a variety of cutting tasks. Whether you're on the go or working in the garden, the MFH Buck Saw provides reliable performance at an affordable price of $20. U-pak Pro. Introducing the U-pak Pro, an all-in-one survival kit that ensures you're prepared for any situation for up to 72 hours. Ideal for travelers and those looking to stay safe during natural disasters, this kit is packed with essential gear. Inside, you'll find a tent, sleeping bag, and mattress for shelter, plus dry rations, a mobile cooking station, water packs, and filters for sustenance. The U-pak Pro also includes spare clothes, basic tools, a first aid kit, and hygiene products. With everything neatly organized in a compact backpack, this $400 kit is a reliable companion for any adventure or emergency. Be ready for whatever comes your way with the U-pak Pro. Meet Yooatom, the world's first smart modular energy system. This innovative solution features a base unit that accommodates modular cylinder blocks, offering unparalleled flexibility in energy management. Each cylinder block functions as an 86.4 watt-hours power bank, allowing you to use them individually or combine them as needed. The base unit is equipped with various connectivity options, from USB-A ports to 220-volt outlets, ensuring versatility in powering your devices. For added safety, Yooatom includes protection against overloads, short circuits, overheating, and undervoltage. A complete set with the base and 4 cylinder blocks is available for $800, providing a powerful and adaptable energy solution for any situation. Gerber Exo-Mod. Gerber is revolutionizing the outdoor and hunting gear market with its innovative Exo-Mod system. This versatile sheath is designed for standalone use, but allows for the connection of multiple units, giving customers the ability to customize their tool set according to their specific needs. With a skeleton-shaped handle, identifying compatible tools is a breeze. The Exo-Mod line features budget-friendly yet durable Chinese steel, making it both affordable and reliable. For instance, a knife with its sheath is priced at just $36, offering a practical and adaptable solution for any outdoor adventure. Sunjack solar panels. Sunjack solar panels distinguish themselves with remarkable strength and durability. Wrapped in PET film, these panels offer robust protection for their circuit board and USB ports, ensuring resistance against moisture, dust, bumps, and drops. The premium model, priced at $170, delivers up to 60 watts of power and incorporates a smart chip that shields your devices from overheating, short circuits, and overloading. Designed for convenience, the panels fold up to the compact size of a laptop, though one might wonder if there's still room in survivalist backpacks for this powerhouse of energy.